Hello everyone. So today I am going to talk about effective public speaking tips. So let's start. First advice, as I always say, you must know your audience. To understand your audience, who they are, tailor your message to match their needs and interests, and try to engage with stories or examples they can relate to. It is very important to know your audience because it will help you to prepare examples, stories in order to relate to them. The other thing I'd like to talk about is prepare and practice. I'm pretty sure you've seen in every possible video about public speaking that preparing and practicing very important and crucial. You have to have an organized outline with key points. You have to make sure you rehearse multiple times to build confidence. And also you make sure you practice and you check your timing, because time management is also important. In some cases, in fact, time might stress you more than your audience. That's why you need to practice your timing as well. And my other advice I would like to give is always start with a small audiences. Again, begin with friends, family, or small groups is gonna be the best thing to do. And friends and family are always gonna be very honest with you. And to be that confident to talk in front of them, it will help you step by step to progress to a larger audience. So always start using the small experiences such as being in front of the family and friends to gain confidence, and then gradually progress to a larger audience. The other thing I'd like to highlight is focus on body language. Make sure you maintain eye contact to connect with the audience, of course. Make sure you use natural gestures to emphasize your points. And make sure you stand confidently with an open posture. Eye contact is very important, but make sure you're not using it in a very fast, stressed way that you start shaking your head crazily. Use eye contact, but make some pauses and take a look and focus on one person in your audience when you want to highlight one point. Then change to another person when you want to highlight a different point. And for your voice, of course, I'd recommend for you to speak clearly and at steady pace. When I say speak clearly, some people, English is not their first language. That's why I highly recommend my colleagues, my students, my friends, whenever they have a public speaking to participate in, I always recommend them to use very simple English and very simple words so they can be able to speak clearly. You're not showing off your language, you're making sure your audience understands your message. Of course, this plus using the right tone for your message and you pause to emphasize key ideas and give the audience time to observe is going to be a perfect way to control your voice. The other thing I'd like to say, of course, stay calm and confident. I know the first 15 seconds he will be very stressed. That's normal. We are human beings and that's very natural. But later on, you need to stay calm and confident. Try to take a deep breath to manage nervousness. Focus on the message, not a perfection. And always remind yourself that the audience is there to listen and learn. And they don't know what are you talking about or what are you going to talk about. So always remember this. And benefits of improving public speaking is going to give you a way of building confidence in any situation. Public speaking is going to be very helpful because it effectively communicates ideas and inspire others, and also will help you to enhance professional and personal opportunities. I hope I was very clear in this video about steps to enhance your public speaking, and let's go for a conclusion. Things that I would like you to remember from this video: that know your audience, prepare well, and practice often. Use body language, voice control, and visuals effectively if you have a presentation. Start small, stay confident, and enjoy the process. Thank you so much.